The Intel Core i5-12400F is one of the most popular budget Intel CPUs, offering great value and strong single-core performance. It doesn't bottleneck easily, but still, you need to pair it with the right GPU. In this video, I've picked the two best options for the 12400F that ensure a smooth, well-rounded gaming experience. First, the best budget GPU to pair with the 12400F is the XFX Speedster Swift 210 Radeon RX 7600. For those who want reliable 1080p performance without paying extra for features they might not need, AMD's RX 7600 is a fantastic fit in this category. It brings the efficiency of AMD's RDNA 3 architecture to the budget segment, offering strong clock speeds, improved encoding, and impressive performance per watt. All of this makes it one of the best choices for mainstream gaming builds. With a boost clock of 2655 MHz, it provides a nice upgrade over older options like the RX 6600 XT. Plus, the Swift 210 variant ensures quiet operation with its dual-fan cooler, includes modern display outputs like DisplayPort 2.1, and features a compact design that fits comfortably in mid-tower or even smaller builds. This card is designed primarily for 1080p gaming, though it can handle light 1440p gaming in some titles. It pairs especially well with the Core i5-12400F, delivering a balanced system that performs smoothly without bottlenecks or thermal issues. The RX 7600 also doesn't demand a high wattage PSU thanks to its 165-watt power draw, giving you another way to cut costs without sacrificing performance. If you're considering alternatives, the GeForce RTX 3060 12GB remains a solid option for those who prefer NVIDIA's ecosystem, offering features like DLSS and extra VRAM for more memory-intensive games. It also handles ray tracing better, though it comes at a higher cost and slightly higher power draw. Still, while the RTX 3060 has its strengths, the RX 7600 edges ahead in modern titles with better raw performance and efficiency. For gamers focused purely on achieving the best FPS and value in a 12400F build, the RX 7600 is the more compelling choice. To sum up, what I like is that it's perfectly balanced for a low to mid-level build, and the strong 1080p performance and quiet cooling design. On the downside, 8GB VRAM can start to feel limited in newer AAA titles, and it's not the strongest at ray tracing or upscaling. Next, my top choice is the Gigabyte RTX 4060 Eagle OC. NVIDIA's RTX 50 series might be grabbing headlines right now, but the Green Team's RTX 40 series GPUs remain a top choice among gamers. One card that pairs especially well with budget to mid-level builds is the Gigabyte RTX 4060 Eagle OC, which I consider one of the best value options, thanks to its excellent balance of performance, efficiency, and modern features. On paper, the RTX 4060 packs 3072 CUDA cores, 8GB of GDDR6 memory, and a power draw of just 114 watts. It runs at a 1830 MHz base clock with a boost clock of 2460 MHz, though custom models like the Gigabyte version can push up to 2505 MHz, giving a small but noticeable uplift in frame rates. It's a great fit for a CPU like the 12400F, delivering strong results at 1080p titles while maintaining low thermals and power consumption. It also complements the CPU's strong single-core performance, delivering consistently high and stable frame rates across modern AAA games. Plus, you get NVIDIA's DLSS 3 technology, which provides a significant boost to performance and visual quality. And even if the 8GB VRAM might feel a bit limited, especially with how demanding modern games have become, DLSS and frame generation help make up for it by letting you play at higher settings with smoother performance without worrying about memory limits. If you're considering an AMD alternative, the Radeon RX 6650 XT is another strong option, especially for those who value raw performance over AI features or ray tracing. That said, the lack of DLSS and ray tracing support are notable trade-offs for the 6650 XT, and with the 4060 performing neck and neck in most benchmarks, opting for NVIDIA's card doesn't feel like a step down. Simply put, the RTX 4060 gives you more features with fewer compromises, making it the smarter and more well-rounded choice for the Core i5-12400F. To sum up, what I like is the excellent performance at 1080p, the DLSS 3 support, and the excellent efficiency and low power draw. And the downside, limited 8GB VRAM could be restrictive in some newer titles.